Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the turn signal light uh, of a car. These two are different circuit for the flasher unit of turn signal light. So in this first circuit, talking about the components, this one here is capacitor, this is electromagnet relay, this one is L1 relay, and this one is L2 relay. Here is turn signal light, and this point here is connected to the switch and to the power source, like battery. So when the switch is turned on, current flows from this wire towards this point and towards this relay. Now current flows towards this capacitor, and this capacitor will be charged, and current also flows towards this turn signal light, and it will get lit. Now when this capacitor will fully charged, then no current flows towards this coils. That means magnetic field will not be created by these coils, and current flows from these windings, so magnetic field will be created by these coils. So it will pull this bar downwards, and this point will now get opened. So the power will be cut off towards this circuit, and this turn signal light will get turned off. Now as soon as the power is cut off from the battery, this capacitor will now get discharged, and current will flow from these coils towards this turn signal light. Since the amount of current flowing towards this coil and the direction is same, and the direction of the windings are opposite, so the magnetic field created by L1 relay and L2 relay will cancel each other. So this bar will now move upwards, and this point will now get closed. Then power will flow from the battery towards this point and the relay, like previous one. So the regular making and breaking of this point results in the flasher unit of this turn signal light. That's how this circuit works. Let's see how this works. So in this circuit, this is a heating wire flasher unit circuit. The components are, this one is electromagnet, these two are turn signal lights, this one is pilot light, this is switch, this is turn signal switch, this is battery. Now when this switch is turned on, current flows towards this wire and towards this heating wire. Since the resistance of this wire is very high, a small amount of current now flow towards this electromagnet and towards this switch, and now finally towards this turn signal light. But as soon as current flows from this heating wire, it starts to get heat, and this starts to expand, and when it is fully expand, there will be the connection, direct connection in this point P1. So current does not have to travel from this high resistance path. Now the current will directly flow from this point P1 towards this electromagnet. When current flows from this electromagnet, I mean from these coils, this electromagnet will now create a magnetic field. So it pulls this bar towards this point, and there will be the connection in this point. So current flows from this point towards this pilot light, and this pilot light will get turned on. Also, current has been flowing from this coil, which is passed through this tone signal light and towards this tone signal light. This is tone signal switch, sorry. So now this tone signal light will get turned on. As soon as no current flows from this wire, this starts to cool down. When it starts to cool down, there will be the contraction, let's say opposite of expansion in this wire. So there will be the open of this point P1, and now small current flows from this heating wire towards this electromagnet, and similar process now will get repeated, and the regular making and breaking of this electromagnet and regular lighting and lighting off of this tone signal light will yield in a flasher unit. So that's how this circuit works. Let's see. See current flowing from this here. That's how this circuit works. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel.